Being relatively new to the cryptocurrency market, AMP has a lot going for it. This is because AMP has been one of the best performing cryptocurrencies of 2021, gaining more than 1,000% in value, and this attracted a lot of investors. On July 13th, AMP was the 43rd largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap. So when will AMP coins touch the $1 mark, considering the fact that Coinbase has listed AMP token, making the token more accessible to more people? Well, today, let's find out. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing AMP tokens, price prediction, and whether it will reach the $1 mark. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one, and also press the bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. Drop a like for the video if you are optimistic about the future of AMP tokens. With all that done, let's get started. Even though today cryptocurrency investments are incredibly volatile, investors are still ready to take the risk, considering the fact that their risk will be worth it if the coins can give them high returns. It is this type of sentiment that's driving the entire cryptocurrency market. This is also why we have so many altcoins in the market that are now looking forward to being the next Bitcoin. But that may or may not happen because Bitcoin has been around for a long time and people really trust Bitcoin. Speaking of AMP tokens, well, AMP token is one of the newest cryptocurrencies that Coinbase Global just picked up. AMP token is a digital collateral token that offers instantly verifiable assurances for any value transfer. The best part is AMP tokens are Ethereum-based tokens, so all the advantages of the Ethereum network will also be present with AMP tokens. The main utility of the AMP token is to run the Flexa network. And for those of you who don't know, the Flexa network is a company that allows payments with a cryptographic guarantee to international providers. This means cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and other currencies can be used to pay for goods and services, and the provider receives the payment in fiat currencies. So you might be confused. If the network uses Bitcoin, Ether, and other currencies, what is the whole point of AMP tokens? Well, Flexa uses its AMP token to guarantee crypto payments while it is confirmed in the respective digital asset network, and the payment is settled to the recipient in fiat currencies. By doing so, what Flexa network is trying to do with AMP token is to solve some of the issues that affects the entire cryptocurrency market, and that is low confirmation times across networks, price volatility, and scalability. AMP tokens are considered collateral tokens that can ensure the value of any transfer while remaining unconfirmed. Let's say due to technical issues, your payment takes too long or sometimes even just fails to reach you. With AMP collateral token, you can solve this problem because the token can be liquidated to cover the cost. So this way, if you are a vendor or a merchant, you will still get paid. The primary aim of this project is to reduce the cost of the interchange between parties in several payment transactions, and the token is also looking forward to offering really quickly and verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. The prices of AMP token have really increased a lot this year, and there are so many reasons for you as an investor to be optimistic about its long-term potential. AMP was trading around a penny per stock in September 2020, and for the next 4 months, it was trading for a mere fraction of a penny. But things changed this year when AMP was up over 1,000%. This is because many people are now learning about cryptocurrencies, and they are trying to invest in cryptocurrencies that are lower in value to get higher returns when the prices go up. Most people invest in newer altcoins because of their fear of missing out on huge opportunities if AMP becomes the next big thing in the cryptocurrency market. Let's face it, most investors are only buying cryptocurrencies to make money, and they are not interested in the utility of the coin. People buy cryptocurrencies as speculative assets, meaning they will sell them when the prices are much higher than what they initially paid for. People buy Bitcoin as a store of value, but the utility of Bitcoin lies in its competition against the dollar and also the adoption of blockchain technology that is running almost every cryptocurrency today. When you're buying a cryptocurrency, looking at the utility of the token is one factor to consider. And with AMP, there are chances that the value will increase in the future because the token is intended to be a collateral asset that can be used to reduce payment fees and also prevent fraud. This means that AMP tokens can help make crypto transactions safe, cheap, and entirely usable for merchants. The next reason why we are quite optimistic about the AMP token is that the AMP token is listed with Coinbase. Yes, there are so many other exchanges that make it incredibly easy to trade dollars for cryptocurrencies, but most exchanges require the transfer of one crypto in order to use it to buy another. Then we have few decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, which gives you a more comprehensive range of cryptocurrencies to choose from. But it can be quite tricky, because you need to have larger cryptocurrency holdings in order to use them. The prices of AMP recently increased only because AMP was introduced in Coinbase. This means that the reputation of AMP token is now much higher than what it used to be before being listed on Coinbase. The last reason why we are optimistic about AMP tokens is because when new projects adopt AMP tokens, looking at the way it has been implemented, this will increase liquidity and decentralization. This means that the value of the token will be increased or improved. And also the volatility of AMP tokens can be quite stable. The team is also making AMP tokens to be more flexible and future-proof. This means that if you are here to invest for the long term, consider investing in AMP tokens considering what they can do for the future. At this point, you might know that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets, and if you are here to put your hard-earned money into cryptocurrencies, make sure that you only invest the money that you're willing to lose, because cryptocurrencies are not a quick-rich scheme and profits and losses depend upon the market sentiments. Cryptocurrency prices are tough to predict because most cryptocurrencies don't have any intrinsic value, which means they are not backed by any tangible assets like gold. The entire value of cryptocurrencies depend upon what people are willing to pay for them. We have predictions for the AMP token from Coinskid.com, which predicts a price of $0.09 by the end of this year. By the end of 2022, the price will be at $0.08. When it comes to the price prediction for the year 2023, it's pretty bullish, with a price of $1.2 by the end of 2023. By the end of 2025, expect the prices for the AMP tokens to be at $0.2. But looking at the price predictions, we can see the trend of the price not going to hit $1 mark anytime soon. But hey, anything can happen in the cryptocurrency market, and maybe we can expect the price to be $1 soon. Looking at the long term, many experts believe that AMP will appreciate based on the fundamentals behind the AMP project, and when looking at the progress that the team is making towards their goals and other milestones, right now AMP is not that expensive to buy, and if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies with not so much money, you can do that with AMP cryptos. People are talking about AMP crypto a lot because of it being discussed in social media and online forums that are driving their prices. Today, we have 99.2 billion tokens as the maximum supply, and out of that, we already have 48 billion AMP tokens in circulation today. And a final note, this video was intended to be infotainment content and should not be considered as financial advice. All investments must be made at your own risk. With that, we have come to the end of our video. What do you think about AMP tokens? Are you going to buy them anytime soon? Will the prices increase to $1 by the end of this year? We would love to hear from you, so do let us know in the comment section below. Also drop a like for the video if you found this video to be informative. Subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one, and while you're at it, press the bell icon to get notified about future uploads. That's about it. Catch you all in the next one.